Did you know that drinking a glass of warm water with lemon every morning can kickstart your metabolism? Or maybe you didn't know that incorporating just 10 minutes of mindful breathing into your day can reduce stress significantly. Well, those two things are nothing compared to the other 5 health hacks you'll know by the end of this video that you can implement to improve your overall health now and in 2025. My name is Vanel and I'm an RN dedicated to sharing hacks that you can implement to elevate your health. If you struggle with low energy or feeling overwhelmed, you're going to love these. Let's dive into hack number 1, mindful breathing. This involves taking a few minutes each day to focus solely on your breath, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. One mistake people often make is focusing too much on the results instead of simply experiencing the act of breathing. Remember, the goal is not to achieve calmness, but to give yourself a break. This practice helps reduce stress and anxiety by lowering cortisol levels, promoting relaxation, and improving your mood. By shifting your attention from the outcomes to the very process of inhaling and exhaling, you allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. This mindful engagement creates a space where you can observe your thoughts without judgment and acknowledge your feelings without the pressure to change them. This can act as a reset button for your mind and body, allowing you to regain clarity and focus. You might start noticing benefits in as little as a few minutes a day. Now, this next hack is going to help you build more energy throughout the day. Hack number 2 is all about energy boosting snacks. Instead of reaching for sugary treats, opt for a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt with berries. A common mistake is relying on processed snacks, which can lead to energy crashes. Instead, focus on whole food options rich in protein and fiber. Consider incorporating a variety of snacks into your diet to keep things interesting and nutritionally balanced. For instance, pairing apple slices with almond butter not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also offers healthy fats and additional protein. Similarly, a small bowl of hummus with carrot and cucumber sticks serves as a tasty, crunchy option packed with nutrients. These snacks help stabilize blood sugar levels, which then provides you with sustained energy throughout the day. And here's the best part, you should notice a difference in your energy levels within a few days of making this switch. Now, before I get into the next hack that will improve your sleep quality, I need you to hit the subscribe button if you want 2025 to be the healthiest year of your life. Hack number 3 focuses on establishing a sleep hygiene routine. This means creating a consistent bedtime ritual that helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. A mistake many people make is using their phones right before bed, which can disrupt sleep patterns. To avoid this, turn off screens an hour before bedtime and engage in relaxing activities like reading or taking a bath. This routine helps you fall asleep quicker and enhances the quality of your sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Implement parts of this routine tonight and see how it affects your sleep within a week. I also struggle with my sleep schedule, so this is a routine that I will be doing. And speaking of our body's essential needs, my next hack is something we often overlook. Hack number 4 is all about hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. A common mistake is waiting until you're thirsty to drink, which means you're already a bit dehydrated. A good way to check if you are hydrated is to pinch the back of your hand with your thumb and second finger, and if your skin snaps back into place quickly, then you are hydrated. But if it sticks together or is slow to go down, then it's a sign that you might be dehydrated. You want to aim for at least 8-ounce glasses of water daily. To make it easier, carry a reusable bottle with you and set reminders to take sips regularly. Adequate hydration not only improves concentration, but also digestion and skin health. Most importantly, you will notice a boost in your mood and energy just a few days after increasing your water intake. But hydration is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about keeping our bodies active. Hack number 5 encourages you to incorporate movement into your daily routine. This doesn't mean you need a full workout every time. Simple activities like walking, stretching, or dancing can make a big difference. The mistake many make is thinking they need to spend hours at the gym. Even a 10-minute walk can elevate your mood and increase energy. Incorporating brief bursts of movement throughout your day not only helps combat sedentary behavior, but also stimulates your brain, enhancing focus and creativity. Aim to move every hour to break up long periods of sitting and add a bit of fun to your day. This could include standing up while on phone calls, doing some quick stretches at your desk, or practicing simple dance moves to your favorite song during breaks. Even household chores like vacuuming or gardening can count as effective movement. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of incorporating social interactions into your movement. Go for a walk with a friend or join a casual dance class. Engaging with others while staying active can amplify the benefits, making the experience enjoyable and motivating. As you make movement a regular part of your routine, you'll likely feel a sense of accomplishment and positivity. Not only will your physical fitness benefit, but you may also notice enhanced creativity, improved concentration, and a greater overall zest for life. Embrace the process and enjoy the little moments of movement you introduce, and you'll find that staying active can feel less of a chore and more of a rewarding part of your day. Give this a week and watch how your energy and mood improve drastically. And while we're talking about improving our outlook, our final hack is something truly transformative. Hack number 6 is to practice gratitude daily. Take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for can have a profound effect on your mental health and well-being. Some overlook this simple strategy, but research shows that a gratitude practice can reduce stress and boost happiness. Perhaps try keeping a gratitude journal or simply sharing your highs and lows with a friend or loved one at the end of each day. You'll likely notice a more positive outlook on life within just a few weeks. Those are just a few health hacks you can start implementing today. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share these tips for a healthier 2025. If you like this video, you should check out this next video here that tells you about 50 anti-aging fruits that will transform your life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.